Hello friends, my name is Manish Nag. Today I am going to show you how to create LVM, Logical Volume Manager. This is a managing tool to manage the LVM, the logical volumes. Okay, so first let me tell you some benefits of LVM. If you have more than one hard disk, then logical volumes can extend over more than one disk. The main benefit from using LVM is if you have more than one hard drive. With LVM, you can group the hard drives into one huge one. Also, you can add more space to the group if you add more hard drives. With LVM, you can simply work like you have one single hard drive, single huge hard drive. So, we have to first select that in which hard disk or in which hard drive you are going to perform the LVM partition. So let us see the file system. Okay, now you can see that SDC has been partitioned into SDC1, SDC2 and SDC3. Now let me show you, as for example, you are going to create three different logical volumes in different partitions. So first of all, the first step is you have to create a physical volume at first. So pv create, then the name of the disk, that is dev sdc1. Okay, physical volume created. The similar way do it for sdc2 and sdc3. Okay, let me first clear the screen at first. Alright, so now we are going to create three different volume groups. You can also create one single volume group and add them together, but I am showing you differently. Okay, now vg create, now you have to provide a name for the volume group. Now if the volume group name is, suppose you just give a name HCl, and then dev sdc1. Oh sorry, the volume group HCl already exists, so you can use another name, suppose ABC. Okay, volume group is created. Now let's take another volume group BCD in HDC 2. And another volume group CDA, CDE. Okay, now you have to, you can check them using the command pv display, but the logical volume is not yet created. Here you can see the physical volumes by pv display command. Okay, and also you can see the volume groups, so vg display. The different volume groups are here. Okay, now let me first clear the screen. Let me show you vg display more. Okay, now you can see them. BCD, just we have created CDE, ABC was in front, and these are the different volume groups. Okay, sorry, just a second. Okay, so now let's create the logical volume. So the command for logical volume is lv create. First of all, let me tell you one more thing. Before creating the logical volume, first check your disk, because this is the part where you have to provide the amount of memory you are going to provide in the logical volume partition. So if you, in HDC1 it's a 2 GB. So if you are using, if you can create the logical volume for the whole of the space, but you can also use 1 GB as logical volume. Okay, so lv create l. Suppose I'm going to create 1 GB, and then provide a name, and then the volume group name ABC. Logical volume man created. Now the same for you can the same one I'm going to create in the next one also. Suppose let it name as ant, and the what was the name of the volume group? BCD. Okay, created. The next one was CDE. CDE Terminator. Let it create 500 MB, because the last disk is low in memory. Okay, so let's check now. First let me clear the screen. Okay, now see, ABC is the volume group name and man is the name of the logical volume. Now the same for the 3. Now this LVM has been created. Now you can also extend the space. Now let me show you how you can extend the space of ABC MAN, ABC man. Okay, so the total hard disk partition space is 2 GB and you have used only 1 GB. Now you are limited to 1 GB only. Now if you want to increase the space of ABC man, then you can increase it. For that you have to use the command lv extend hyphen l plus 1g dev mapper Manish, sorry, it's ABC man. Just a second, let me increase 500 MB. Okay, so the logical volume has now been extended. Let's check. Okay, so can you see ABC man has been extended to 1.5 GB. Now before using this file system says, or before mounting this partitions to any file system, you have to format it to a specific format. Suppose if you want to format it to ext4, then the command for that will be mkfs .ext4 dev mapper ABC man. So it has been done.